I also have Senator Olakanwogu, Honorable Kenneth Kobani, former Minister of Commerce and Industry, Dr. Tammy Wenike Danagogo, former Minister of Sports, Honorable Frank Owo, former Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Rivers State, Honorable Marcus Nleji, former Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, and other members of the team. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, I want to invite the chairman of Osisioma local government area to please step forward and do a formal welcome speech on this occasion. Chairman, Osisioma local government area, please.
Can we go back?
Hello. Chairman, Osisioma local government area, please.
Okay. PDP, power to the people. No come Romazino, Kanunke. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Abia State. You're welcome, sir. Our great visitor, our lovable and well-respected governor, His Excellency Dr. Wike. We love you and we say welcome to Osisioma local government. On this, I want to be brief. For every other special guest here, please, that I have not mentioned his name, please permit me to move ahead. We have very limited time. The people of Osisioma is very happy. Today is a groundbreaking day in the history of Osisioma local government. Your Excellency, if you look around, you will see the joy everywhere in Osisioma today. The first of its kind in the history of Abia State. Our wonderful flyover is real and is very, very beautiful. We will say thank you, sir. Today, when you are coming from Port Harcourt, when you are coming from Owerri, from Umahia, you must describe, stop at Osisioma flyover. You have made us proud. We are proud of you. And the good people of Osisioma will ever remain faithful and very appreciative for what you have done. We love you, sir. And on behalf of the whole Osisioma people, we welcome you to Osisioma and we tell you we are with you 100%. Just like they say, the voice of the people is the voice of the Lord. We thank you so much. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chairman of Osisioma local government area. All right, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to spice up because what we are doing today is celebrating. I invite you, Your Excellencies, to invite our first son. Yes, comes on stage. I will request that all of us withdraw. Please, everybody, Lazo, security may help us push these people away. If you please retract, everybody, Lazo. Push them out back. Lana azukai hozo.
Lana azu.
Ola lazo.
La chono na azu bikono.
Ane mi here na television.
Nde madele here la please. Lana na azu bikono.
Please help us, please. I know we are all happy. I know we are all excited.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.